Mongolian Red Cross Society in 2018. Within the main program areas, 5,500 herder households of 15 provinces affected by Zud disaster were assisted with cash, food, hay, and livestock feed worth of 1.6 billion Mongolian tugriks. 905 households of 9 provinces and 4 districts affected by flood was assisted with cash, kitchen, and hygiene set worth of 705 million Mongolian tugriks. Through a second phase of Angel's Journey in Mongolia project, supported by the Red Cross Society of China and Chinese Red Cross Foundation, provided free surgical treatment to 47 children born with congenital heart disease at the hospitals in Beijing and Huhhot City of People's Republic of China. Through detection and treatment of tuberculosis among homeless people of Ulaanbaatar City project, 1,526 people were tested through 16 times of examination. 26 TB cases were detected and treated. Through providing social care service to the most vulnerable people project, supported by the British Red Cross, has assisted 4,320 people through 480 volunteers of 8 mid-level branches. East Asia Youth Camp Gathering was organized under the theme of Comprehensive School Safety. 67 youth members from 4 countries participated. Cooperation and partnership. In preparation for Asian Ministerial Conference for Disaster Risk Reduction, organized by the Government of Mongolia and the United Nations Office for Disaster Risk Reduction, Mongolian Red Cross Society organized pre-AMCDRR meeting and mobilized 250 trained volunteers. 61 Red Cross delegates of Asia-Pacific region participated. The partnership meeting of Mongolian Red Cross was organized. 2-year implementation was reviewed and operation plan until 2020 was discussed during the meeting. Asia-Pacific Regional Practical Emergency Cash Transfer Training was organized at Mongolian Red Cross Youth Training Center. 35 delegates from 11 countries participated. Restoring Family Link in Emergencies workshop was organized at MRCS Youth Training Center. 25 delegates from 6 countries participated. Written Volunteer on Wheels program implemented by IFRC and Red Cross Society of China, 100 bicycles were handed over. Organizational development. The second review of the organizational capacity assessment and certification was conducted, and 79% of indicators reached benchmark. Within 2 years, the organizational capacity was improved by 15%. IFRC, ICRC, Australian, British, and Japanese Red Cross supported 5 mid-level branches and 28 primary-level branches with 521.9 million Mongolian tugriks to enhance their resource mobilization activities. Public perception of humanitarian organizations in Mongolia reputational survey was conducted, and the result was disseminated at all levels. State Red Cross cooperation was strengthened. MRCS received financial support of 667.5 million tugriks from state and local budget to fulfill its auxiliary role. Working condition. The training hall with the capacity of 100 people and electric power substation were constructed at MRCS Youth Training Center. In 2018, 354.4 million tugriks was invested, and income of 797.8 million tugrik was generated. Bolgang and Songenharkhang Red Cross mid-level branches moved to a new office building. Darkhangol, Uvurhanga, and Dondro mid-level branches constructed new building for social care centers. Total number of people reached. In promoting the Red Cross movement, 146,558 people. Disaster Management Program, 96,594 people and 6,405 households. Public Health Promotion Program, 112,002 people. Social Inclusion and Development Program, 58,127 people. Youth Development Program, 103,759 people. In 2018, 7,563 members, 2,262 volunteers, 7,354 non-remunerated voluntary blood donors, 6,716 Red Cross youth members have newly joined the Mongolian Red Cross Society. Mongolian Red Cross Society activities were advertised 44 times through daily newspapers, broadcasted 81 times through 7 TV channels, and advertised through 10 websites. 191,036 people reached through official Facebook page. 80 Years for Humanity, Mongolian Red Cross Society.